Hi, this is Raghav and this video is about our IRE course project. The team members are Anil Sutrala, Snigdha Verma, myself Raghav and Dinesh Sagna. The topic is subtopic clustering on tweets and generating brief pseudo summaries per cluster related to the particular entity. In this project, we generate pseudo summaries for labeled Twitter data taken from the RepLab dataset. We have used the arrator parser for tagging the Twitter clusters with the named entities. We can see an example here. EL gives iPads to med school students is our tweet, and we have the Python Twitter arrator parser doing POS tagging and classification. We can see that EL has been tagged as a geolocation.
We are generating summary for each and every named entities on the basis of per cluster. What we do is we calculate the named entities with the maximum TF-IDF count, and if the entities among that list contains any geolocation, then that will be included in the summary. Now the summary is generated on the basis of three types. First type is that amongst the important named locations identified in the cluster, we will create a list that will contain the intersection of the number of tweets in which that entity is occurring. If the intersection list is not empty, or if the number of tweets in the intersection is less than equal to 3, then those number of tweets will be included in our summary. Otherwise, what we will do is we will go for the same procedure for the union of the list. Otherwise, we will take this list as the reference list, and what we will do is for all the other named entities existing in the cluster, we will create the internal intersection list or the internal union list. Now this list will be done intersection with our reference list, and we will find the number of tweets that are really important, and for the number of tweets that is not exceeding 3, we will create the summaries and append it to the geolocation that was identified as the maximum TF-IDF, and this will contain as our pseudo summary.
We have developed a web-based interface for this project, which goes as follows. Here we can see all the clusters which have been displayed. If we take a sample cluster, say iPad 2 in the classrooms, here we have displayed the summary corresponding to each named entity type, say company. Also, we have extracted the named entity types and the named entities belonging to this cluster iPad 2 in the classrooms. As of now, we have implemented our project on a static Twitter dataset. We plan to extend our project for event-based dynamic data like Facebook and Twitter events. We also plan to do an image-based summary generation for the platforms like Pinterest. Thank you.